Okay, we can talk about this. 오늘 뭐 해? Can you try?
오늘 뭐해?
Yeah, it means what doing today. Can you try?
오늘 뭐해?
Yeah. That means what are you doing today? Okay. What are you doing today? Actually.
I have nothing to do today. I was practicing math better.
Mm-hmm. You get some medicine? Okay. Okay. Can you hear me now?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. Can you tell me again?
I was practicing math today. I was like very busy today.
You study math?
Yeah.
Ah, not me. You study math.
Yeah.
Okay. So, do you like math?
No, no.
Impossible, right?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. How old are you? 나이가 How old are you? Can you say?
I am 14.
40?
14, 1 4.
Okay, just kidding. Okay. Okay. Okay, welcome.
And how
Rama.
old are you?
I'm 35. 아저씨. Okay.
Oh God.
Okay. You can ask me math actually. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. I can teach you something wrong. I guess.
Okay.
Okay, Rama. Can you hear me?
Yeah,
Okay.
I can hear you.
Okay. What are you doing today?
What are you doing today?
오늘 뭐해?
What are you doing today, Rama?
No. Oh, reading, learning Korean.
Just learning Korean.
Yeah,
Is holiday here, there?
Yeah.
How about Rama?
yeah,
It's holiday
Only Sunday.
or Sunday? But
yeah.
I heard Muslim don't rest on Sunday.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, you can tell me. 쉬는 날. Yeah,
쉬는 날.
it's rest day. You can say.
Yeah.
It's literally means rest day. Okay, 쉬는 날이야. Can you try, Rama?
쉬는 날.
Shenan.
쉬는 날이야?
쉬는 날이야.
Naria?
Yeah, 날. Okay.
Okay.
쉬는 날이야.
Okay, we can learn this. 오늘. Today.
Honor.
Today. Okay. 내일. Tomorrow.
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Neil,
Okay.
Tomorrow.
Can we repeat again? Okay, first Bara and Rama next. Okay, 오늘
오늘,
Mm-hmm. And Rama.
오늘,
오늘,
Mm-hmm. 오늘. And 내일.
내일,
And Rama.
내일,
That's good. You're doing good here. This one.
어제,
어제.
어, 어제,
Yeah. That's really good. You are doing good. Okay. Good question. Then next. 내일 뭐 해?
내일 뭐해? 내일 뭐해?
What are you gonna do tomorrow? Can you answer?
내일,
School,
Sad news.
tomorrow
I
is
finished
good.
my study.
Mm-hmm.
I finished my study.
Ah, you go to study tomorrow. You can tell me like this. 학교가. Tomorrow. Okay.
그리고
음.
학교가. Okay.
학교가
학교가. Okay, Rama, can you try?
요가,
Yeah,
요가,
really good. Okay, so Bara and Rama, both of you are students. Okay. Okay. 학생.
학생,
학생
학생. Okay. So if you in Korea, okay, you standing out, okay. You smoke if you smoke on the street,
아하
okay. Many people, you are just student, okay. People say 학생, okay. It means stop smoking, okay. 학생,
와우
okay. You can hear that. Okay. Student cannot smoke in the Korean actually, okay.
it's illegal I think
Illegal.
okay
I can report you, okay.
oh so much dangerous
I can
but in
report.
India fifth class student are smoking
It's legal.
legal like yeah this normal
Oh, interesting. Okay, let's see what we learned today. Okay, we learned difficult things. Okay, first, repeat after me, Bara and then Rama. Okay, 오늘 and Bara.
오늘
오늘,
Right? Okay, Rama.
오늘,
Okay, that's good. And 내일, Bara,
내일
Rama.
내일,
That's good. And 어제
어제
and Rama.
어제,
Oh, that's good. Okay, we learned today. 오늘 뭐해? Okay,
내일 뭐해?
okay. Okay, Rama, can you try?
오늘 뭐해?
That's good.
오늘 뭐해?
Really good. Okay, we are learning sentence as soon as we finish consonant here. Okay, that's good today.